Hey there, and welcome back to Daily Speak. I'm Alex, and today we're going to do something a little different and a lot of fun. Today, I'm going to tell you a story. It's a simple story in easy English, made just for beginners. I will speak slowly and clearly so you can understand every word. Don't worry if you miss something. Just relax, listen, and enjoy. Here's how it works. First, I'll tell you the story. Then, we'll go back and learn some useful words together. Our story today is called The Lost Wallet. Are you ready? Let's begin. Part 2. This is the story of a man named Sam. Sam was a kind man. He lived in a small town. Every morning, Sam walked to work. One cold morning, Sam was walking down the street. The wind was strong. The streets were quiet. Suddenly, Sam saw something on the ground. It was a brown wallet. Sam picked it up. He opened it slowly. Inside, there was a lot of money. There were also some cards and a photo of a little girl. Sam looked around. But there was no one on the street. Whose wallet is this? He thought. Part 3. Story. Middle. Sam looked at the cards in the wallet. On one card, he saw a name. David Miller. And there was an address, too. 12 Garden Street. Sam smiled. I know that street, he said. It's not far from here. Now, Sam had a choice. He could keep the money, or he could return the wallet. Sam did not think for long. This is not my money, he said. I must give it back. So Sam walked to Garden Street. He found the house, number 12. He knocked on the door. Knock, knock, knock. Part 4. Story. Ending. A man opened the door. He looked tired and worried. Hello, said Sam. Are you David Miller? Yes, said the man. Can I help you? Sam smiled and held up the wallet. I found this on the street, he said. I think it's yours. David's eyes grew wide. My wallet, he said. Thank you so much. I thought it was gone forever. David was so happy. Most people would keep the money, he said. But you are an honest man. Thank you. Sam just smiled. It was the right thing to do, he said. And from that day on, Sam and David became good friends. The end. Part 5. Vocabulary. Wonderful! Now, let's learn some useful words from the story. First word. Wallet. A wallet is a small thing you keep your money and cards in. Say it with me. Wallet. Next word. Honest. An honest person tells the truth and does the right thing. like Sam. Say it with me. Honest. Next, to return. To return something means to give it back. Sam returned the wallet. Say it with me. Return. One more. To knock. To knock means to hit a door with your hand so someone opens it. Say it with me. Knock. Great job! Part 6. Now, let's check your understanding. I'll ask 3 simple questions. Try to answer out loud. Question 1. What did Sam find on the street? Yes, he found a wallet. Question 2. What was inside the wallet? That's right. Money, cards, and a photo. Question 3. Did Sam keep the money or return it? Exactly. He returned it because Sam was honest. You did so well today. Here's your homework. In the comments below, tell me, would you return the wallet? Write your answer in English. I read every comment. If you enjoyed this story, give it a like and subscribe to Daily Speak for more easy English stories. I'm Alex. Keep practicing, keep smiling, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.